Hey, this is Dr. Linda Davis, and today I want to walk you through how to work with Gimp, the latest version of Gimp, when you have a situation where you need to remove the red eye in the image. And so here we have the image, and we want to just affect this part of the image where the red eyes are showing up, and that's just the flash interacting with the back of the child's eye, which is the retina area, and it happens a lot when you take photos of children in a nighttime setting. So we want to remove that and only that. So we're going to go over to the toolbox here that you can see, our tool options, and click on a rectangle select tool. And then we're going to run back over to and just basically take our mouse and select that area of the image, which is just the eye area. Now we're going to go up to filters, and in filters you can go down to enhance. And within the enhance section, you can find red eye removal. So there's red eye removal. We'll select that. It automatically does it for you pretty much in the preview screen. If you like what you see, if it worked out for you, then you're just going to, at this point, say OK. Now, the other thing you've got to know to do with Gimp, and this is very important if you want these images to be able to be emailed and have other people see them, is you must do a file export as, because right now it's a .xcf image now that Gimp has done something to it, and that only works in Gimp. Nobody else can see it if they don't have Gimp, so you don't want to go there. You want to export it as an image. That's the normal type of image, whether it be a JPEG, GIF, PNG file, whatever, just the normal image formats, okay? So this one says ethan.jpg, which is fine. Just export it. And obviously I'm pulling from one, so you need to I need to change it just a little bit. I'll just put my cursor up there and change it to Ethan 2, and then I'll hit export. And usually I'm fine with all these settings, and I just say export. And you can look up here and tell that now it says Ethan 2 exported, okay? And that's important when you're gonna, for my class, you're gonna upload it as a JPEG or a GIF or a .png. If you're never sure, always do .png as the file extension. That always works. And so that's how you do red eye. Thank you for your time.